All right, y'all, welcome back. PR, man. Look, great show for you. Jump in the boat with a father-son team, Mr. Marco again and Benjamin. Just have a blast. Just have a blast. The fish are real finicky this day. They would barely bite. And you had to completely hold that jig still. And old Benjamin, he just had a rough time with that, but he still caught them. We all still caught them. Hope y'all enjoy it. South River baits, can't say enough. And that's when they're tough biting like that, you can't beat South River. Tim and the colors. I mean, he, like you say, he'll custom colors for you as well. Hope y'all enjoy. Hit that thumbs up for me. Pictures, scooper, big old bass. All these are bass picks. I think down in Louisiana. Just beautiful fish. The Burtons, follow some Burtons, AJ and Mr. James, man, just burning them up. Just burning them up. Some beautiful spots too. So hope y'all enjoy it. Again, hit that thumbs up for me. Let's get with it.
We go. Look at that. It is recording. Look at that, guys. South River Baits. The awesome thing about Tim, he makes custom colors. We ordered him some custom colors and he made some awesome colors. Look at that, boy. He wants it. And over there up in front we have Mr. Paul catching all my fish. Mr. Benjamin.
There's a small one, y'all. Marco got a keeper, boy.
There we go, Paul. Oh yeah.
Grass shrimp this morning. Color. And the water is super clear, y'all. Super clear. There's still no eater, but good fish. That's that stinger body style too. Did you get in them crusher body styles?
Yes, Paul. Wait. No, wait. Não é coisa, tá? Sério, papo, tá? Pode recolher. Joga lá de novo. Yes, sir. Opa.
Good one, y'all. There's a good one. Thick.
How you call that fish, Paul?
Thick.
PR.
Crystal shiner there.
That's not an RP, is it?
Oh, look how thick. Yeah, that's definitely a pin. Oh, water! Eater! What that is.
Too fast. Look at Mr. Paul's hand. That's a mega catfish, Paul. Man, you're gonna have.
Get the net?
No, just wait for him to work this fish.
I'm gonna get the net.
Not yet.
It's a crappie.
Wow. You need the net, Paul? Let me get the net on this one.
Eu posso pegar?
Mm-hmm.
I know what happened.
Help us to help. No, that's a slab.
Oh, you got him in the side.
Snagged it. Now, can RP do that? Huh? You tell me. What do you think, Mr. Marco?
That's a beautiful fish, man. That's over 2 all day long. Beautiful
That's
fish.
a big old fish.
Passa.
Oh, that's a Peter, y'all.
Wait there. South River again. There you go. Yes, sir. That's a good one, Ben. Keep your line tight, please. Good job, Ben.
Tiny.
RP fish. What bait, Ben?
South River.
There you go.
You'll eat, Mr. Marco.
There you go, Mr. Paul. Beautiful one.
Thick, too. We'll take him up here and show him the brush pile. What you think?
Yeah, that would be cool. Beautiful brush pile.
Yeah. All right, y'all. You see this pile? We had been thing on it. See how they just eat it up. 20 foot of water, 83, 84 degrees. That's what you call a good old brush pile. Except they picky this morning, y'all. I mean, it's good brush pile. Got one there. One end jigs on this side of it over here. There's a fish falling it down. Oh, there's another one. There's 2 come up. Surprised you didn't get bit right there. Oh, one come out after hard. Here come another to it. They wanted it, boy. He still want it. Good brush pile, y'all. Man. back here. Was in here somewhere. That's some killer footage. And it shows you how picky. You can pretty much see where he's jigged because these fish are following it. They're so picky this morning. Still a good pile though. Another good old eater.
See Ben, he's barely moving.
Another eater. Thick. These fish are thick, dude. Thick.
Oh, it's a catfish.
Blue cat, y'all. On the old South River done caught them all this morning. Bass, white bass, catfish, crappie. We're killing them. Y'all, rush piles. God. We just riding around finding them. Y'all. God, look how thick this fish is. Man. Y'all, love it.
Yes, sir.
Get him, boy.
Good one, Ben. Good one. Good one, Ben. Show to the camera, okay? Yes, sir. Good one, Ben. Hey, Paul.
Sir?
Good news for you.
What?
We figure you out.
What'd you say?
We figured out what you were doing.
We figure out what you're doing.
Good job, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. There's another good one, y'all. That's a slab there, boy. There's a good one, y'all. Another good old eater, man. Oh, love it, y'all.
We're gonna figure this out. Hold on. This man is unbelievable. This guy is not easy.
Small guy, y'all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, boy.
Good job, Ben. Good one, Ben. Good one. Good job.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. Hey, there's another brush pile right in front of us. You see?
Yep.
35. Okay, you stay. You stay, I'll go. You're right behind. See?
Yep.
There you go.
Another one, y'all. Ain't a bad one. He's hungry, dude. He's a big.
Fine, por favor.
Okay, go ahead.
You want me to use the net or no?
Thanks, sir.
Oh, that's a big fish.
Oh, he might be 2.5.
Look at that. Whew.
Oh, South River, boy, I'll tell you what. They catch them, don't they, Mr. Margo?
My God, it's unbelievable. The bait and the fisherman.
Well,
Big. Can I see him?
yeah, bud. Hold on. I can have it.
Show him to the camera, Ben.
That's a big fish.
It's a beautiful animal.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, there it was. What'd you think? Lake, probably 1.25 now, below full pool. Mid 80s, still tent wise. Okay. Great time with them guys. Great time with them guys. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. Again, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you hadn't, and on to the next. Crash.